Welcome to yet another video on gradients of perpendicular lines. Now in this worked example, I'm going to ask you to plot the points A, B, and B, join them to form the line AB, and then calculate the gradient of AB. Now take out your notebook and do the worked example on your own before watching the video completely. Great, have you done so? So you're asked to plot the points A and B, join them to form the line AB. So let's see how that's done. We have the graph paper. We plot the lines A and B. Note the coordinates of the point A is 1, 2, and B it is 4, 11. 4 points down the x-axis and 11 on the y-axis. So you know those points. Now, did you get that? Great. Now calculate the gradient of AB. The thing to note about this gradient is that what? It is going upwards, right? So is it positive or negative? Once the line is going upwards from left to right, it is positive, isn't that so? So let's calculate the gradient using the formula. The difference of the y coordinates over the difference of the x coordinates. 4 minus 1, 9 over 3 is 3. The gradient is 3. Did you get that? Fantastic. Let's look at the next problem. Let's pause the video. Continuing part B of the problem, on the same set of axes, plot the points P, 5, 4, and Q, 8, 3. Join them to form the line PQ, then calculate the gradient of PQ. Let's take a quick look back at the previous, on the same graph. Let me bring the graph over here. Excuse me. So on the same set of axes, plot the points PQ, 5, 4, and Q, 8, 3. So do that exercise, and then we'll calculate the gradient of PQ. Great, have you done so? So let's minimize this and let's see the solution to that. Here we've plotted the points P and Q, and we join them to form the line PQ, and then you calculate the gradient of PQ. So to calculate the gradient of PQ, you can use the same formula for the gradient. The difference of the y coordinates over the x coordinates will give you minus 1/3. So the gradient is negative. The line is coming down instead of going up. It's negative, isn't that so? Now in the next video, we'll look at part C of this problem.